Ladies and gentlemen, Sachin Pilot may be one of the emerging young leaders in the country. But the more Sachin delays his decision on his next political move, the more opportunities he gives to the Vadra Congress to launch personal and vicious attacks on him. Here is why this young leader's confusion and uncertainty is turning out to be the biggest anticlimax in the Rajasthan political thriller, and then we debate.
He was supposed to brief the media this morning, but all the media got from him were these shots of his car entering Gurugram's plush ITC Manesar. Sachin Pilot is yet to make his next course of action public, but in a statement he told the press that he is not joining the BJP or any other party. Interestingly, he also reiterated that he's always been a Congress loyalist and that Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot is trying to tarnish his image.
The kind of pain that has been shared by Sachin Pilot is very much out in open and very much clear. He's stating it very much clearly, one, that he's not going to join BJP. On the other hand, he's stating it very much clearly that I was in touch with Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. On the other hand, he's also claiming the kind of problem that was created by the Gehlot government.
A leader whose possible political re-emergence was widely debated in the last 72 hours as a message to the Vadra Gandhi dynasty seems to be losing the momentum because of his uncertainty and confusion.
What is happening today is that Sachin Pilot is at ITC Manesar, that 7-star resort in Haryana, and he's trying to keep his flock of 18 MLAs together, Shawan. That is important because out of those 18, we have been clearly told 6 are clear, crystal clear, they do not want to go with the BJP. I repeat, 6 out of the 18 are crystal clear in their mind, but 4 others, apart from the 6 in the 18, are in a dilemma, Shawan, that whether they should now go back into the Congress's fold or not.
It's come down to point where Sonia Gandhi loyalists are openly raining personal insults on him.
कोई अच्छा इंग्लिश हिंदी बोलना, अच्छी बाइट देना, वो सब कुछ नहीं होता है. अच्छे हैंडसम पर्सन होना सब कुछ नहीं होता है.
Taking advantage of his predicament, Rahul Gandhi's right-hand man has also asked Sachin Pilot to prove his loyalties to the Congress.
पार्टी में नहीं जाना चाहते तो फिर भारतीय जनता पार्टी की हरियाणा सरकार की मेजबानी फौरन अस्वीकार कीजिए. जिनको आईटीसी ग्रैंड और लेमन ट्री होटल गुड़गांव के अंदर लगा रखा है, उनके चंगुल से बाहर आइए.
From declaring he's ready for a long battle to delaying his announcement, is time running out for the 42-year-old politician? Till the time he doesn't make his decision public, there are questions that beg answers. Is Sachin Pilot losing the momentum? Has he played into the hands of the Congress? Is his uncertainty leading to confusion? Are his supporters and MLAs backing him getting restless? Has he lost an opportunity? Will a delayed decision lead to loss of face? Can he continue to delay? And finally, after sending a symbolic message, is Sachin Pilot letting Vadras have the last laugh? Let's debate.